Welcome to the heart of nature's embrace, where history meets solitude. In this journey, we delve into the enchanting experience of solo truck camping at Police Outpost Park. Hey everyone, welcome back to Gemini the Truck. I am Jeff, and I am here at Police Outpost Provincial Park for another solo camping adventure. The park is named for an outpost that was established by the Northwest Mounted Police in the late 1800s to help bring law and order to the West. The park was established on April 22nd, 1970. It is situated on the Canada-US border on the shores of Outpost Lake. It now opens its arms to adventurers seeking solace and fishermen. As daylight slowly fades, the campsite becomes a stage for the lingering echoes of history. The park's past gently reveals tales of courageous officers who once stood watch over the wilderness. Traversing the trails, you'll stumble upon traces of the past, weathered structures, remnants of a bygone era. This land was a vital connection point. There it is. As night falls, the wilderness around us evoke memories of the past. Imagine the conversation that once echoed in this place. Stories of courage, camaraderie, and profound connection with the land. Under the sky painted with stars, you're reminded that the same constellations once guided those who treaded the land generations ago. As morning light graces the landscape, it is easy to feel the connection to both the present and the past. Police Outpost Provincial Park is the sanctuary for those seeking solitude and the embrace of history. So, whether you come for the tranquility or the echoes of time, solo truck camping at Police Outpost Provincial Park offers a journey that both personal and profound. It's a reminder that even in solitude, the spirit of the past lingers on. Embrace the past, find solace in nature, and create your own story amid the whispers of history. Thank you for joining me on this adventure today. Please remember, if you like these videos, please like, subscribe, comment, and remember, stay adventurous.